Okay, so we are just going to do a very quick teardown of the Boss RC-500. Have a quick look inside. I'm not sure that any of these need to be taken off, but we're just going to have a quick look. First thing I'm going to do is take out the rechargeable Duracells that I have fitted in this. The batteries that it was supplied with did not last very long at all. Obviously all steel construction. I think we will just have to wing it and see what stiff. Raise that camera up a fraction. Not sure we're getting any of this. So it looks like we've got the 3 underneath there, and then we have a couple on the back plates. Looks like they are all the same type of screw. Yeah, they are. Okay, so it looks like we've got to take off all of these. Again, so far they are all the same. I think that is it. Okay, so we have a connection to the battery pack there. Nothing too interesting there. A bit of tape just over the terminals there. Let's have a look. Yeah, they've just put a bit of tape over those terminals. Let's just put that to one side. Okay, so yeah, nothing of great interest. It looks to be pretty well made. See if we can do a close up here for you. Soldering all looks to be excellent. Bit of residue on that board, not sure what that's from. So my main gripe is the power on side of things. But it doesn't look like there's going to be any easy solution to that. I think we'll just take this board off. We'll just undo these nuts and loosen this board up. You have to be very careful doing this. If you ever look at one of these, you don't scratch the paint. So we've got nuts and washers on all of those. the way, slide those out. Actually, that gives us a very nice view of the main board actually. Now we've got a ribbon cable here, that is just a pull out connection there. No little clip to fasten it, it just slides in and out. So as I was saying, no simple way of incorporating an on-off switch into this. And there's a closer look at that. Very annoying. Just, I mean, it just winds me up no end that there is no on-off switch. So that is the main board. The chips on here are, well, they're not ones I recognise, which is no great surprise. Soldering all looks to be excellent. Obviously got some regulators going on there. Not sure I want to remove any more of this. Sod it. Let's just have these two big screws out and we'll see if this board will come out. Suspect there's a screw on the back now that also needs to come out. Actually, no, I need to remove the other switches and knobs from the front. Not sure I can be bothered, to be perfectly honest. It was really just to have a look at the overall quality. Assembled in Malaysia, made in Japan. Well, it's interesting. Parts made in Japan, assembled in Malaysia. I don't know whether you can see that. It is written just in there. It's written in a number of places, but it's just in there and on here as well. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to bother stripping that any further. Doesn't seem to be much point. There's a little unused header there. I don't know what that was for. Another ribbon cable going off to the buttons and the display. Yeah, really not much to talk about. So yeah, that's it really, just a quick look at the internals there